Hello, this is Dr. Mohammad Ahad, Associate Professor in Electrical and Computer Engineering. I'm in engineering building right now, and I'm in front of Digital Design Laboratory. We have a fire extinguisher right in front of the door. We also have another inside of our classroom. They periodically check the due dates and maintains the operations of these extinguisher, so it's all workable. So here is our room, digital design lab, as you can see. So the first thing that I would like to show you here is the emergency power shut off. In case any emergency happens, we can shut the power off. We also have in the door some information about the safety and some of the emergency contacts in case there are some emergencies, so we can call them. Students are requested to take a picture of that, so then they can remember the protocol, safety protocol for this lab. We also have here first aid station here. There you go. So in case there are a small minor cut or something like that, we can take care of that quickly. And as we get into our lab, as you can see, we also have a fire extinguisher here, which I just mentioned earlier, and also the due date is checked. As you can see, it's 9/3, which is actually today. So here's our lab. We have total 21 stations. So if you can come along with me, as you can see our stations. So we have around 10 and 10 in each side, and also some few on this side. So we have in total 21 stations, and each station has similar kind of equipments for different classes, which I'll mention soon. You can also see the projector over there, so that instructor can teach during the class, during the lab. And here's a station dedicated for the instructor. And as I said earlier, that this lab is actually used by several courses. We use for digital design, which is ENG 2323. We have microcontroller. We have computer system design. So 3 different labs uses this lab. Not each course uses similar kind of equipments, but if someone is using any particular instruments or equipments, we show them the manual how to use it by providing them the information in their lab manual itself. For example, I have a digital design lab manual here. So we have for each lab, we have, if we use an instrument, we have the information about it. We also use our video technology to demonstrate the use of the instruments, and we put those information or the video in our class websites. So here I'm going to show you what equipments we have per station. So each station has a computer, as you can see. We have all different kind of software for different courses. For example, for digital design and computer system design, we have Quartus software. For microcontroller, we have Tinkercad software. So all softwares that we need are loaded in these computers. We have, first of all, I would like to show you here the D2 board that we use for digital circuit design class, which has the FPGA. So students learn how to design circuits in Quartus software and download the design into D2 board, both by schematic and also by VHDL programming. So they learn all these techniques to design digital circuits. they also use proto board right here, and they design similar kind of circuit again by using the discrete chip or discrete gate level design. So they learn all different kind of basic digital circuitry using these two instruments. Here is the oscilloscope that are also used by digital design class. In this oscilloscope, we also have a 16-channel logic analyzer that is inbuilt, so we don't have to use two different machines. One machine has both the oscilloscope and logic analyzer. And here we have basic instruments like function generator and multimeter. And again, the manual for all of these are in their manual or in the course website in terms of videos. For microcontroller, we use Raspberry Pi and Arduino Uno. So again, students use them for their projects. They have their manual and they do different kind of labs, and at the end they do project. We also have a small box here that contains different kind of chips that they require for their project, even for digital design or microcontroller, and then also wiring and all. So each station has a box like that, so whenever they need, they use that. We have two storage rooms, one right here, as you can see, and the other one is right over there. So in the storage rooms, we have all the extra devices or spare components. So anytime we need, we can supply those to our students. So that's all I would like to tell or show you. If you need anything else, if you'd like to know more about this lab, please feel free to call me or email me, or you can contact our department to know more about this lab. And thank you so much.